Millennials grew up during financial uncertainty. You witnessed the 2008 financial crisis, rising student debt, shifting job markets, and the explosion of digital entrepreneurship. Traditional paths to wealth felt less predictable. So it's no surprise that many millennials are exploring alternative income streams, and Forex trading is one of them. Forex, the foreign exchange market, is the largest financial market in the world. It operates 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, allowing traders to exchange currencies as global economies shift. For millennials balancing careers, side hustles, and family life, that flexibility matters. You can trade before work, after hours, or automate parts of your strategy to fit your schedule. But here's the reality. Forex is not passive income by default. It demands education, discipline, and emotional resilience. The same generation that values financial independence must also value financial literacy. Understanding leverage, risk-to-reward ratios, and economic indicators is essential. Without risk management, even experienced traders can face significant losses. Millennials have a distinct advantage. You adapted quickly to technology, online platforms, and digital research. Access to trading education, demo accounts, and analytical tools has never been greater. You can backtest strategies, study market cycles, and learn from global communities, all from a laptop. However, social media hype can distort expectations. Consistent trading is built on patience, not viral screenshots. A sustainable approach focuses on steady growth, controlled risk, and long-term skill development. Treat trading like a business. Track your performance. Review mistakes. Adjust strategies based on data, not emotion. Forex trading for millennials isn't about escaping work overnight. It's about building an additional financial skill in a changing economy. When approached strategically, it can complement traditional investing and income streams. Financial freedom for millennials isn't accidental, it's intentional, and Forex, when mastered responsibly, can be one tool in that journey.